Hi to everyone, welcome back to my channel. So previous video లో మనం ఎర్రర్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఎర్రర్స్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఎంసెట్ జేఈ నీట్ కోసం మెయిన్ 5 మోడల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకున్నాం. సో ఫస్ట్ మోడల్, సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మోడల్ 1, if the any physical quantity x is depends on a square b cube c power 4 root d. X is depends on the a b c d. Now percentage error in the a 1%, b 2%, c 3%, d 4%. Now what is the error in x? So first of all we know the relative error. The relative error multiplied with 100, that is called percentage error. Suppose relative error means change in parameter by original parameter, that is the relative error. Multiplied with 100, that is called percentage error. Delta x by x into 100 equals to a square. So power 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 into delta a by a into 100 plus b cube 3 into delta b by b into 100. Next, c power 4 goes to numerator, c power minus 4, but an error is always positive. So plus 4 into delta c by c into 100. Next, root d ante d power 1 by 2. So goes to numerator, d power minus 1 by 2, but error is positive. So plus 1 by 2 delta d by d into 100. Next, 2 into, what is the value of delta a by a into 100? 1%. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into delta b by b into 100 is the 2%. 2 plus 4 into delta c by c into 100 is the 3. Got to 4 into 3 plus half delta d by d into 100, 4%. Now 2 into 1, 2, 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 2 into 1, 2%. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 12, 20, 22%. So percentage error in the x is 22%. So it is the model 1. For example, one example would chat. Suppose for example, kinetic energy k is equals to half mv square. The percentage error in the mass is 2%, speed is 3%. Find the percentage error in the kinetic energy. Here half is the constant, so no dimensions. So delta ke by ke into 100 is equals to m per 1. So 1 into delta m by m into 100 plus v square. So 2 into delta v by v into 100. That is equals to 1 into delta m by m into 100 means 2% plus 2 into 3%. Now 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 3, 6. So totally 80%. This is the model 1. So guarantee వస్తుంది. So next మనం model 2 డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. పాస్ చేసి నోట్ చేసుకో. మోడల్ 2 గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. దట్ ఈస్ relative density. Suppose for example, the weight of the body in air 8.00 plus or minus 0.05 grams. The weight of the body in water 6.00 plus or minus 0.05. Now find the relative density with the maximum possible error. So relative density means weight of the body in air by loss of weight of the body in water, W1 minus W2. So W1 means in air 8.00 plus or minus 0.05 by loss of weight means W1 minus W2. 8 minus 6, 2.00 plus or minus, error is always positive, 0.1. Now what is the maximum possible density in error in density ante delta rho by rho into 100 is equals to delta W1 by W1 into 100 plus delta W1 minus W2 by W1 minus W2 into 100. It is the very important model. Delta W1 means 0.05. 0.05 by 8.00 into 100 plus delta W1 minus W2 means 0.1. 0.1 by W1 minus W2 means 2.00 into 100. Now 0.05 into 100 means 5. 5 by 8.00 plus 0.1 means 100. 10. 10 by 2.00. That is equals 5 by 8 అంటే 0.65 plus 10 by 2 అంటే 5. That is equal to 5 plus 0.65, 5.65. It is the only error. But what is the density means? So relative density అంటే so 8 by 2, 8.00 by 2.00 plus or minus 5.65. 8.00 by 2 అంటే 4.00 plus or minus 5.65. This is very important. పాస్ చేసి నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఏమైనా దీని మీద డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కమెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. సో అలాగే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి.